Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I highlight, contour, and cream blush my face. So if you want to see the steps, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Good morning guys. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you really quick how to highlight, cream contour, and conceal your face. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, first, so let's put on our contour. Let's put on our concealer first, right? So the concealer that I'm going to use is the Fenty Beauty Wear Even Concealer. Alright, so we're going to put it underneath the eyes. So you want to conceal where the light hits, which would be the center of your face, right? Right? So that's why we put it under the eyes. Right under here. I'm going to put it to the center of the nose. And we're also going to do the chin. Now we're going to contour. So we want to bring forth the center part of the face. So that's why we highlight it. Now to take away, which is to create shadows, giving the illusion that you have a more sculpted, more slimmer face. So that's why we're going to contour. So we want to put the contour like right, this is the hollows of your cheek. If you suck in your face, so we're going to put it like right in the hollow, and then we're going to blend it up. So right here. Okay. You have to suck in your face to do it. Then we're going to contour around the forehead. Just, you know, everything will blend nicely into the hairline. So if you have a bigger forehead, then you'll put more, right? You want to take away from some of the forehead. You'll put more. I'm also going to contour down. Alright, I'm gonna do my nose. Alrighty. So we're gonna let the concealer sit while we blend out the contour. And I'm going to take this brush. This is from actually Real Techniques. Alright, 200. So let's blend out the contour first. Alright, take it around the hairline. Blend it into the hairline, alright? So you don't see that line of demarcation. Hope my mirror is not too much in the way. Right, you want to blend the contour going up, right? Because you want your face to be lifted, not drawn down or dragged down, right? Right, and then we're gonna blend out blend it going up and down. Make sure you don't see that line there. Right, go up Some people put their cream contour on while they're blending out everything, but I like to do mine last. I like to do my concealer first, then the cream contour. Alright, so we're gonna go in, bring out the edges. Now we're gonna go in with our sponge. Here's my sponge. So, just gonna use tapping motion. You're not dragging it. Okay. Then we'll do the forehead next. Okay, then we'll do the nose next. Concealer. You can also use a brush to do this, but I like using the sponge. Alright, then we're gonna blend out the concealer. Start blending out the edges first. Right? Blend out the edge so it can be more seamless, and then we'll start going up. Like that. And let's do the inner part here. Try not to let the sponge touch the contour, because you don't want to put that under your eye. Now if my eyes weren't done, then I would put the remainder of the concealer on my my lids. But we did our eyes already today. Okay. Alright, let's do the other side. I like to blend out my nose contour after I do my under eye. Okay. Okay. Remember always to get the sides of your nose. Alright, now we're gonna go in with the foundation brush to blend out the edges. You want it to be nice and smooth. Alright, and now we're gonna blend out the nose contour using my E.L.F brush. Love this brush. Alright, we're gonna drag the contour down. First, I like to brush it up into the brow, to the front of the brow, and then we'll take it down the sides, like drag it down, right? Like so. And then you use the brush and you kind of flick it out to the side. And that way we'll blend out that sharp line. Right? We'll blend out the sharp line. Right? You see? Alright, so you see the difference between this side and that side? Okay. Alright, let's do this side really quickly. And this is just the way I like to contour my face and highlight my face. You could tweak it or change it up a little if you must, you know. Alrighty. So nose is contoured. Alright, I'm going to make sure that the line is straight so you don't have a crooked nose. Alright, now I'm going to apply my Juvias Place blush. Alright, and you're putting the blush in between the contour and the highlight. So this is the highlight This is a contour. You're gonna put the blush in between. So you're gonna put it a couple dots because this is very pigmented on the apples. So that's the apples of your cheek right here. I'm gonna use a couple dots and just take it back like that, right? That should be enough. And I'm gonna take the back of my sponge and I'm gonna pinch it like this, and I'm going to blend out the blush. If you need to apply more, you can do so, right? I feel like I need to spread a little bit more. And you can put this one closer to the highlight. I feel like I want to use a brush though. Let's use this brush. Alright, so I'm just tapping it in. Apples, but not too far down because you don't want it to drag your face down. And then I'm taking it back this way. It's a lot, but we'll blend it out. Alright. Now I can go in with the sponge and, like, you know, share it out a little bit so it doesn't look so bright. Alright. Alright, see? The sponge just helped to, you know. That's a lot of blush. Now, if you feel like it's too much, you can always take your foundation brush and just tap over it just slightly, right? To bring it down a little bit. I'm gonna go back with my sponge and just go underneath my eye to make sure I have no creasing, right? Always keep your foundation brush handy, right? No creasing underneath the eye. And like if you went a little too far up with the blush, you can always use a sponge and take it down a notch. Alright, now I'm going to use the setting powder. This is the Black Radiance one. Take it off the back of your hand. You're gonna look up. You look up, you look up. And wherever you put the concealer, you set it, okay? You guys know I like to set my smile lines. In the middle of the forehead. Center of the nose. Make sure you set under your eyes really well. Alright, underneath the eyes looking good. Now this is where you go in with your setting powder and just set your face really fast. I'm gonna set my face using my Fenty setting powder. Set the rest of my face. Alright. Even though I put it over my powder, I mean my blush, you see my blush is still there, right? Alright. Now we're going to set the cream contour. I'm going to use my Fruits Cosmetics palette. I'm going to take this shade in the middle and I'm going to set wherever I put the cream contour, which is right here around my hairline. Okay, like that. Right up underneath the blush, okay? And the jawline. Alright, I'm also going to set my nose. Same motion. Alright. Because if you don't set the cream contour with a powder, it's going to be sliding all over the place. And it's going to be a mess. A muddy mess. So wherever you put liquid, you have to set with the powder. I put powder, I put liquid foundation, I set it with powder foundation. You know what I mean? Or setting powder, I should say. But it's a powder foundation. So, alright. Alrighty. And you kind of pushing it in and brushing it off at the same time. Like that. Okay. Now, Juvias Place Volume 4, I'm going to set the blush. So I'm just going to dip into both. Very lightly, but these colors are well pigmented. Alright, same way, just front and kind of drag it back. Alright, my cheeks look nice and flushed. So that's how I do my contour. So let's go finish off the face and then come back and finish off the video. But that's how my face is looking. I'm really close. Everything is nice and soft, so I hope you learned something. Okay guys, and this is my finished face. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something from this video. Leave me some comments down in the comment section and let me know what you think. And thank you for watching. And just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick demonstration / tutorial. I hope that it was very easy for you to follow. Practice, 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 and let me know what you think. Again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.